Hey guys, Steven the Salon Guy here, and today's video we're going to be talking about Lionel Messi and his most recent haircut. I've done a handful of Messi's haircuts before, but this is his most recent one. So as you can see, it looks like it's a really nice, tapered, traditional haircut to where the sideburn area probably is about, I'd say like a number 2 guard, and then it's like just a little bit of that area, and then it fades up probably by hand to where it goes to about maybe a ½ an inch to then an inch, and then works its way up to where it goes shorter to longer, going from the back to the top. So I think this whole haircut is probably fully connected. I don't really see any disconnected areas going on, to be honest with you. The top probably is about, I'd say, 2 inches in the back, working to about 3, and no more than about 4 inches in the front. So here's a great angle here. As you can see, a very traditional haircut. I mean, he's never had anything really too crazy, aside from when he had that blonde platinum hair color, which was pretty cool. But again, you can see the front bits are a little bit longer, you know, no more than 4 inches or so right in the very, very front. And then it just tapers back to where it's all nicely blended throughout the sides, the back, and also works into the top. This could be styled with, like, I mean, a gel. It could be styled with a paste. It could be styled with a cream. You know, even nothing at all. I mean, something like this is really, here's a nice cool black and white shot. Something like this could be, you know, fairly easily styled. Here's a great look at the sideburn area, and as you can see, the back of the neck is tapered nicely. So here he is just sitting on the field. He's got a side part here. Again, I just want to give you guys some variety of the styles of how it looks. Here's one with his hair going all the way back, so it looks like the front, as you can see, it's got that length in there, probably again about 4 inches or so. So that's how you get some volume in there. And here, check this out. Here he is in action, and you can really see how the front is a lot longer, and it all just kind of tapers up. And lastly, here he is doing what he does best, playing on the field. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.